In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly to Chrome step by step so you can start checking your grammar, spelling, and writing quality right inside your browser. This is a super quick setup, and by the end of this tutorial, Grammarly will be installed, signed in, and pinned to your Chrome toolbar for easy access anytime you need it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open up your Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Grammarly, AI, Writing Assistant, and open the official Grammarly extension page. Make sure you're on the correct listing so you know you're downloading the real extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once the Grammarly page loads, look to the right side of the screen and click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will now prepare the extension for installation. After you click that button, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you want to add the extension. This is a normal step, and it gives Chrome permission to install Grammarly into your browser. Click Add Extension to continue. Chrome will then download and install Grammarly automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this usually only takes a few seconds. When the installation is complete, you should see Grammarly added to your browser. Next, click the Grammarly icon in the browser toolbar. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, I'll show you how to pin it in just a moment. When you click the icon, Grammarly will ask you to sign in. If you already have an account, just log in with your email or Google account. If you're new to Grammarly, you can create a free account and follow the sign-up prompts. Once you're signed in, Grammarly will be ready to help you write more clearly and catch mistakes as you browse, email, and work online. Now let's make it easier to access. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the puzzle piece icon, which is your extensions menu. You'll see a list of installed extensions. Find Grammarly in that list and click the pin icon next to it. This will keep Grammarly visible in your toolbar so you can open it quickly whenever you need it. That's especially useful if you use Grammarly often for writing emails, documents, or social media posts. And that's it. You've successfully added Grammarly to Chrome, signed in, and pinned it for quick access. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and share this with anyone who wants to improve their writing online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.